TaskForce 2 has 8 SATA and 8 SATA SAS ports. They are all located on the front panel. For imaging, connect a cable to the port and attach the drive to the cable's opposite side. Then, place the drive into the device rack. Device rack's bay numbering suggests the most convenient scheme to place drives connected to the respective SATA or SAS ports of TaskForce 2. Each of the 8 numbered bays can hold either a 3.5 or 2.5-inch drive. For fast and reliable drive swapping, all bays have corners to help keep a drive securely inside. To image NVMe drives, TaskForce 2 is equipped with 4 M2U2 drive ports. Follow the link in the description below to watch a detailed guide on how to connect NVMe drives. TaskForce 2 also has 4 USB drive ports. To connect a USB drive, simply plug it into the corresponding port. In the web interface, click Image. On the Select Source Device panel, find the appropriate category and select your source drive. Then select the target device and click Continue. Check the imaging settings and adjust them if needed. Click Start. Here is our drive. Green blinking color indicates that the task is running. This white LED under the port signals that the source mode is on. Make sure it's enabled if you're working with an evidence drive. And here's a yellow color. Let's have a look at what's wrong with this drive. For this drive, we have run a diagnostics. It shows that the drive has no partition associated with it. It may be empty, or it may have encrypted partitions. Also, we can observe the SATA 8 port glows red. Diagnostics shows that the drive has issues. 2 heads of the drive are damaged. We should disable them in the image settings and image the good heads first. And now, let's go to the user interface and check the imaging task. The still green LED on this port indicates that the task is successfully completed. Now we'll replace the drive with a new one. The new imaging session is in progress. TaskForce 2 is powerful enough to run up to 25 imaging sessions simultaneously. LEDs on the front panel will indicate the status of all 25 ports.